In this video, we're going to learn how to create links using HTML. First of all, let's go to our Nature article and look for a few links in the first paragraph. So if we look at this one, for example, let's see the corresponding code to that link. So here is our first paragraph and the link corresponds to this code. So we can see an A open tag and then an A close tag. So the A tag refers to a link, okay? And then between the tags, we've got some text, which is exactly the text you can see on the screen. And also, we've got some attributes to the link. So the first one is an href, which tells the browser where the link is going to take us. So the / refers to the root directory of the website, which is wikipedia.org. And then wiki / is the wiki folder. And then phenomenon is the file we are going to be taken to if we click on the link. And then the title just shows what shows up when you hover on the link. Okay. So there are other links on the page. So if you go, if you go to this link, for example, it's another type of link. And if you click on it, it will just take you to a subsection of the document. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and create a few links using the syntax we have learned. So we're going to create a new file and call it links.html. Let's copy the content from the previous file and change the title to links. Okay. So we're going to create, let's keep the heading and keep a paragraph. Okay. All right. So let's place a link inside this paragraph, or let's create a new paragraph. Let's just create a new paragraph and write some text in there. So this link will take you to the Wikipedia homepage, for example. So what we're going to do, we're going to place the link word inside A tags. Okay, so now we've got a link there, but we need to add some attributes to the link. So let's give it an href, and we're going to write http : / before we write the address of the Wikipedia homepage. Okay. So www.wikipedia.org. Okay. You can also add a title attribute if you want to, and call it Wikipedia. So now if you hover on the link, you can see the title showing up. And also if you click on the link, it will take you to the Wikipedia homepage. All right. So let's create another paragraph. Okay. Well, let's delete the previous one and just change this first heading to paragraph 1. Okay, so now we're going to create another heading, paragraph 2. Okay, and let's create another paragraph. Okay, and this time let's write some other text. So this link will take you to the paragraph webpage of this course. So what we're going to do, we want this link to take us to the paragraphs page. Okay, so again, we're going to place the link word inside A tags, and we're going to give it an href. This time, the href is going to be the name of our paragraphs page. So it's going to be 3.paragraphs.html. Okay. We can give it a title if you want to. Paragraphs. And now we can try that. So when you hover there, you can see paragraphs. And if you click on it, it will take us to the paragraphs page. Okay. All right. Now we're going to create another link that will take us to a subsection of our document. But before we do that, let's create a few more paragraphs. Okay, so I'm going to create another paragraph, paragraph 3, well, a heading and then a paragraph. So let's just write some text. Copy paste it multiple times. Okay, and let's just copy this multiple times. Okay, so you've got paragraph 3, 4, 5, and then paragraph 6 and 7. Okay, so now we want a link at the bottom of the page that will take us to paragraph 1. Okay, so let's create a link here and let's write some text inside. Take me to paragraph 1. So our href this time will need to use an ID that we're going to give to the heading of paragraph 1. So we're going to give this first heading an ID, and let's call it paragraph 1 or just P1. Okay, and our href is going to be number sign and then the ID of that heading. So now if we click on the link, it will take us to the first paragraph or the first heading. Okay.